up, YouTube? It's your boy My J, back with another banger. Today's rap, you got Hurricane Wisdom featuring Rat Baby on God. This gonna be the first Hurricane Wisdom on the channel. Is this the first Rat Baby on the channel too? I'm pretty sure it's the first Rat Baby on the channel, but just know we got hella Rat Baby coming on the way, so you ain't gotta worry about that. But like I said, this is the first Hurricane Wisdom. I know a couple of songs about a nigga, but I don't really just listen to the nigga like that. I done heard a couple of his songs on TikTok or goddamn. Damn, what's that one song he got famous by? I forgot what that shit was called, but comes some song about a nigga. Y'all, when we do more raps to this nigga, you ain't gotta come in a Rat Baby, cause Rat Baby, his shit on the way. Don't worry about it, his shit on the way. But go ahead and get into the song, see what these niggas talking about on that hoe. Hurricane Wisdom featuring Rat Baby. Let's go ahead and get into it. On God. I done heard it beat so many times, bro. I swear to God, I have.
Oh, hey, pocket the ball and I ain't passing. Let's just come through scoring the basket. My high bitch, what did you ask? Hey, yo, bitch good, but my bitch bad. You shoot fast, my shit fast. Yeah, I'm bitch through the big ass.
Let me restart the whole song. He came in that bit kind of quick. I ain't expecting him to come in like that.
Oh, hey, pocket the ball and I ain't passing. Let's just come through scoring the basket. My high bitch, what did you ask? Hey, yo, bitch good, but my bitch bad. You shoot fast, my shit fast. Yeah, I'm bitch through the big ass tip.
Nigga said you shoot fast, but I shoot faster, nigga. You shoot that bit pretty fast. I ain't gonna lie to you, but I shoot that bit way faster, nigga. I just know Rat Baby finna spit on that hoe, bro. That really why I rap to the Rat Baby, bro. I know he finna spit on that hoe.
Hey, yo, bitch good, but my bitch bad. You shoot fast, my shit fast. Yeah, I'm bitch through the big ass 10 on me right now, like shit don't matter. See me at home, know it's gon' get quiet on God. I don't like chatter. I say, bro, they don't hold you on God. That bitch gon' tattle. Shit go left, this bitch go back. Yo,
that nigga said, I told bro, leave them hoes alone. God, that bitch gon' tattle. This shit go left, that bitch gonna be gone. But you ain't gonna hear from that bitch no more.
I say, bro, they don't hold you on God, that bitch gon' tattle. Shit go left, this bitch go back. Yo, J. Cole, quit that ass. Hey, what I diss a nigga, ticket on God, don't need that traction. Hey, pocket the ball and I ain't passing. Let's just come through scoring the basket. My high bitch, what did you ask? Hey, yo, bitch.
Ain't gonna lie, I fuck with the beat though. On God, I fuck with the hoe. And then the way he rapping on the bed match the beat, bro. That shit hard. You ain't gonna hate, bro. That shit hard.
Hey. Pocket the ball and I ain't passing. Let's just come through scoring the basket. My high bitch, what did you ask? Hey, yo, bitch good, but my bitch bad. You shoot fast, my shit fast. Yeah, I'm bitch through the big ass 10 on me right now, like shit don't matter. When we come through, make this bitch go boom. I done seen niggas run they fast. I say shoot, they don't get no passes. Don't say
you gotta go back. I fuck with that little part right there. When the beat was knocking, I'm fuck with that little part.
That's 10 on me right now, like shit don't matter. When we come through, make this bitch go boom. I done seen niggas run they fast. I say shoot, they don't get no passes. Don't say oop, I don't do no passes. Since shit through, I don't need no address. I get low, don't kiss no ass. Hey, my bitch cute, don't pay for ass. Hey, yes, I'm good, thank you, pass. Hey, pocket the ball and I ain't passing. Let's just come through scoring the basket. My high bitch, what did you ask? Hey, yo, bitch good, but my bitch bad. You shoot fast, my shit fast. Yeah, I'm bitch through the big ass 10 on me right now, like shit don't matter. See me at home, know it's gon' get quiet on God. I don't like chatter. I say, bro, they don't hold you on God.
What he said? He said it be get quiet on God. I don't like chatter. What the nigga say? Let's go back.
Big ass 10 on me right now, like shit don't matter. See me at home, know it's gon' get quiet on God. I don't like chatter. I say, bro, they don't hold you on God. That bitch gon' tattle. Shit go left, this bitch go back. Yo, J. Cole, quit that ass. Hey, what I diss a nigga, ticket on God, don't need that track.
Why you looking like that? I ain't like this cool ass video too though. Look at that nigga looking.
God, that bitch gon' tattle. Shit go left, this bitch go back. Yo, J. Cole, quit that ass. Hey, what I diss a nigga.
Like, fuck that nigga head, bro. That nigga looking. Look at me like, huh? Fuck his head.
They don't hold you on God, that bitch gon' tattle. Shit go left, this bitch go back. Yo, J. Cole, quit that ass. Hey, what I diss a nigga, ticket on God, don't need that traction. Hey, drop a diss, I'ma drop my low right now on God, I need.
You go Rat Baby, let's take it back. He go Rat Baby though. Give me some hard shit, Rat Baby. We know you come with that heat. Come on, I don't disappoint. Don't disappoint.
A nigga ticket on God, don't need that traction.
Hey, drop a diss, I'ma drop my low right now on God, I need that ass. If he clutching it, go down in the parking lot, he pistol clatter. Shit get wicked, a nigga.
Nigga said if he clutching, it go down in the parking lot, he pistol clapping, nigga. You heard what that nigga said, bro. Then at first he said, I'm gonna drop my low instantly. Nigga, I don't give a fuck, nigga. I'm instantly seeing my low, nigga. He ain't playing no games.
I know right now on God, I need that ass. If he clutching it, go down in the parking lot. He pistol clatter. Shit get wicked, a nigga gon' die by the parking spot. Blew the boy down, got him stuck to the dab, but I wonder who the fuck gon' park him now. Chill out all like that battery low.
Damn, y'all heard that nigga? Then they jumping the nigga all in the video. Damn, y'all heard that nigga though? He said he gonna lay down in the parking lot. I ain't playing no game with your ass, but you laying down in this parking lot. My hair look fucked up. Goddamn headphones, my shit. My shit right.
Pistol clatter. Shit get wicked, a nigga gon' die by the parking spot. Blew the boy down, got him stuck to the dab, but I wonder who the fuck gon' park him now. Chill out all like that battery low. Boy, who ain't no gotta spark him now. Racing the cat with the cat.
Nigga said I trail out like they battery low. We gonna spark their ass now. That's a hard ass bar. I'm gonna steal that shit.
Stuck to the dab, but I wonder who the fuck gon' park him now. Chill out all like that battery low. Boy, who ain't no gotta spark him now. Racing the cat, but the cat ain't slow. I got some shit that'll hawk him down. I can't wait till D.I.E. no N.L.E. I'ma walk him down. Kept saying he gon' put me on the floor.
Nigga said I can't wait to see D.I.E. no N.I.L.E. We gonna walk him down. Nigga like that shit was hard as fuck, right, baby?
I got some shit that'll hawk him down. I can't wait till D.I.E. no N.L.E. I'ma walk him down. Kept saying he gon' put me on the floor. Now the police gotta talk him down. I gon' be giving no money out. When they gon' be when I'm all the way down. Shit gon' be aight, nigga, smoke you a blunt. I'm never bringing my homie down. If I find me a money move, I'm never leaving my homie out. They used to fuck with the kid back then. Now everybody claiming.
Nigga said if I find me a money move, I'm never leaving my homies out. That's some real shit though, bro. If you find a move, put your niggas on, bro. Don't be that selfish ass nigga, bro. Please don't be like that, bro. Put your niggas on, bro. Everybody on your team need to win, bro.
I find me a money move.
But if niggas ain't doing that to try to move or to try to do this and that, you need to get from around them niggas on some real shit though.
Smoke you a blunt, I'm never bringing my homie down. If I find me a money move, I'm never leaving my homie out. They used to fuck with the kid back then, now everybody claiming they know me now.
Hey, pocket the ball and I ain't passing. Let's just come through scoring the basket. My high bitch, what did you ask? Yo, bitch good, but my bitch bad. You shoot fast, my shit fast. Yeah, I'm bitch through the big ass 10 on me right now, like shit don't matter. See me at home, no, it's gon' get quiet on God. I don't like chatter. I say, bro, they don't hold you on God. That bitch gon' tattle. Shit go left, this bitch go back. Yo, J. Cole, quit that ass. Hey, well, I diss a nigga, ticket on God, don't need that traction.
On God. Rat baby said on God. Rat baby said fly. Bird gonna fly to the sky. Let me chill out. I'll just fuck with y'all. Let me chill out a little bit. That was Hurricane Wisdom and Rat Baby on God. I ain't gonna lie, fuck with it. I get a smooth little hey, it was cool vibe. I really fuck Rat Baby, bro. That shit was hard. That nigga was saying some hard ass punchline. Hurricane Wisdom, he smooth too. Like I said in the beginning of the video, coming some other songs about that nigga if y'all want me to rap to that nigga. Like this one right here, George Carlin. I done heard it before, but I ain't never actually just played the song by myself. I probably done heard this shit like TikTok or something, bro. So I don't really know the song really too much like that for real. But I need y'all to hit that like button, subscribe, and follow my Instagram and TikTok. I'm catch y'all niggas with this on IG.